Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
Head down.
I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
Lost in Paris. I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
It was over in a day. All the things I used to say, you kept to say. All the places we would go, all the songs we got to know, you held it up. I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
Young, all in love in a lost place. Goddamn, got me running around in a rat race. Say grace, Lord, I fell in love with a small waist. Let me start, yeah, right, yeah, bang, shot me in my heart and it hurt case. She's so fly like a dove, that's a dove face. Let know where she at now, but this ain't her birthplace. Tom, don't tell her, but it's first for
I know
birthday.
that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
I know that I need you now. The key that I won't forget, but you're lost in Paris.
You're lost in Paris.
I hope that you're warm and safe. The memory that I can't replace, but you're lost in Paris.
What am I doing? Still in this little room smoking. I'm still a kid on the moon, watching those lives and learning. Who am I really? 26 and still searching. Oh, wait to know, wait to know. But this other me is again living. I'm blessed, but I'm not really aware of it. We're all blessed enough, but we don't really care about it. What's wrong, what's right, and which inside is my body standing. Is your way mine? And is mine and yours fitting? Wanting more, but seeing myself disappearing. Playing those same two chords. What if that is what I would have done as a kid? Oh, I'm blessed. Real blessed. I'm blessed. Real blessed. I'm blessed, but I'm not really aware of it. We're all blessed enough, but we don't really care about it. I'm blessed, but I'm not really aware of it. We're all blessed enough, but we don't really care about it. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You, as a graduating student, will come up here. There will be a marshal here. Please hand your card to the marshal. The marshal will hand it to the person who's reading out the name. When your name is read out, please walk across and please point here, big screen. Please at this point doff your cap. In front of you will be standing the Deputy Vice-Chancellor, and the Deputy Vice-Chancellor will doff his cap. if you are able to, please do stand up.
Prynhawn Dower, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff. Please sit down. Thank you. I'm Laura Trevelyan and I'm the Chancellor of Cardiff University, and it's my great pleasure to be the presiding officer at this afternoon's graduation. Like all of you gathered here, I too am a Cardiff University graduate back in the Stone Age of 1991 from the Journalism School, and Cardiff has given me a husband, a career, lifelong friends, and I just hope that Cardiff will continue to shape your lives in the way that it's been privileged to do for mine. So, first of all, Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations to the great Cardiff class of 2025. Woo! That's a very good beginning. We're going to do a lot of celebrating today of these graduates, so that was a very good warm-up. Now, we're here this afternoon to celebrate the achievements of our students in our School of Law and Politics. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat, and you have demonstrated dedication and commitment to get where you are today. Well done. You have the knowledge, the talent to be a positive force for change in our society. With your deep understanding of the law and its relation to politics and all of our lives, I can't wait to see what you do with that knowledge. All of you are leaving us with a Cardiff qualification that tells the world you're ambitious, passionate, and have an inquiring and brilliant mind. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that should bring you. And thank you for everything that you have brought to your school and to our Cardiff community. For now, though, your job is to sit back and enjoy the moment. To all the family and friends who are here today, your job is to applaud loudly when your loved one crosses the stage. Please don't hold back. You can be as enthusiastic as you want to. You're here to celebrate and to be proud. So, Flonga Fachiadu, great class of 2025. I can't wait to see your shoes, your hair, your fashion. The standard is high. I'll be watching. I now have the great pleasure of introducing Hannah Pearce. Hannah will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. This poem, Education, was specially commissioned by Cardiff University. So I give you Hannah.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddi a feiddio, gwellhad y wneud. Myna geisio, parchad ddweud. Traws newidiad fydd dy glod. Dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring, makes you secure with not knowing everything, helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions, scintillates but isn't deceptive, admits the joy of institutes, is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad I gwybodau. Boed hysbys I holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar hyd a lled y byd fod cynulliad o Brifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod I dderbyn y myfyrwyr, sy'n rhinwedd I hastudiaethau a'i hysgol heictod, wedi'i harholi'n briodol yn unol a statudau'r Brifysgol, ac wedi'i cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Wrth ddathlu llwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, fe'i hatgoffon o'i cyfrifoldeb I gyfrannu o werthoedd y brifysgol hon. Nod iddynt hwy yw ceisio drwy y cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu I sicrhau rhagoriaeth ym mhob peth ac yn boeni am ddyfodol ein byd. Gwrandewch yn awchus ar ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. Nerth gwlad I gwybodau. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek to their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence in all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Prynhawn Ddaw. I'm Anna, your Vice President International from the Students' Union. Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day which you all will remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that's from Pontypridd, Portsmouth of Palestine, making new friends, and perhaps living independently for the first time. None of these are easy feats, and so for that, I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first one in your family to come to university. You may be a carer or have dependents and have had to balance that with university life. Or maybe you've battled with something else entirely. You should all feel very proud of what you've achieved, both personally and academically. The experiences that you have shared together in the seminar room, a society, or a sports club, the opportunities that you have embraced, and the relationships which you have built have made you into the graduate and the person that you are today. As you reflect on your time here, let's acknowledge the hard work and dedication that brought you to this moment. It's not just about the degrees you hold, but the friendships you've made, the lessons you've learned, and the growth you've experienced. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter of your life, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Long vergeven, class of 2025.
Pnawn da iawn I chi gyd, braf iawn eich gweld chi yma. A very, very good afternoon to all of you. Fy enw i'r Athro Damien Walford-Davies. My name is Professor Damien Walford-Davies. I'm Provost and Deputy Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. And my job today is beautifully simple. It's also beautifully joyous. It is to warmly welcome all students to receive their awards. And that, of course, is the part of the ceremony where the student's name is read out by a senior member of the university, and they've been reading those names out, thousands of them this week, so very well. And each one, being an individual, crosses the stage, each one of them inhabiting their own unique moment of achievement and of theatre. And they deserve all you can muster as far as applause and acclamation are concerned. So on that point, as Laura, our Chancellor, has just said, please do celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross by clapping or cheering. And let me make a deal with you. I don't care how you do it as long as it's loud. Agreed? Good. I know that you will keep it classy and respectful, but I want you to emit sounds that have hitherto not been heard by humanity. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and have returned to their seats, there'll be a moment of magic. It's a tradition at that time for me to speak in what is my own first language, Welsh, to receive each group of graduates to their awards. And I'll shepherd you through this. It'll be self-evident, and I know you've gone through a practice session already, so it's going to be very clear. But on that moment of magic, technically, and I've said this before this week, awards are given as part of the examination process. As far as the examination governance is concerned, when that paperwork is signed off, your degrees are awarded. But there's something about conferring the award in this particular arena and the form of words, the formula that I use, which always sends a shiver down my spine, and that's when the magic comes in. And the Welsh formula I will use translates as, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your awards with all the privilege that this confers. Congratulations. And in Welsh, trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. And I'll say the magic word, llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. So I'll shepherd you through that, but that's something to look forward to. Diolch yn fawr. I now introduce Professor Ben Pontin, Head of Law, who will present the students for their awards. Ben.
I, Professor Ben Pontin, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Laws. Lowry Adams. Poppy Adams. Michael Adebayo. Ayo Adiyinka, Kadira Afendi. Christina Agati. Adriana Lee. Mariam Ahmed. Elena Akil. Dana Al-Balushi. Badria Al-Balushi. Noor Al-Jabri. Mohammed Al-Nabani. Salim Al-Rawaz. Awa Al-Zaja. Mohammed Aram. Rashid Al-Faiz. Rashid Al-Hamari. Malik Ali. Henrietta Allen. Helen Aldridge. Georgia Allen. Charlotte Allison. Ragad Muslimani. Mariam Matablibi. Zana Aloya. Fatma Al-Salmani. Amina Amrina. Ravina Kumar. Sophie Anderson. Hia Aurora. Olivia Alvarez. Daniel Ayo. Isma Azam. Saeed Badwi. Aparajita Bangali. Madeleine Barnard. Amelia Barnes. Amelia Barrett. Amelia Basham. Alexandra Bosham. Stephanie Bernard. Libby Bevan. Lydia Bick. Mohammed Rafiq. Nurul Rosaim. Nurul Nazli. Surah Davani. Eden Blake. Alexandra Boothroyd. Keris Bowen. Alfie Boyd. Lucy Bradley. Molly Bradley. Evie Bradshaw. Megan Reagan. Neve Cooney. Amelia Brazier. Joanna Brediff. Amelia Brennan. Theodore Brent. Annie Britton, Charlie Brooke, Daisy Brown, Amelia Brunt, Nicholas Bryant, Syed Bukhari, Sarah Burtonshaw, Nia Kappa, Juliet Gonzalez, Lucy Crayford, Anek Kelly, Arnav Chakraborty, Amelia Chamberlain, Chandani Chandra Kumar, Jack Chapman, Elaine Chi, Samantha Wan Ching, E. Kim Chen, Vicky Cheng Jingjing, Huria Chituf, Xian Xuan Liu, Tang Chi Yao, Chio Haowen, Jae Chuan, Amelie Chong, Brianna Chong, Emmanuel Chong Hao, Serafina Stacy Chong, Chelsea Chong Mai Fang, Kei Yuan Chu, Vanessa Chuhiva, Lara Clark, Toby Benjamin Clark, Ella Clark, May Clark, Neve Clegg, Maisie Cochran, Henry Coley, Alice Coughlin, William Collins, Jack Koloff, Reese Concannon, Dexter Collins, Jamie Connor, William Conroy, Harriet Coombs, sorry Harriet, Aaron Copus, Olivia Cornish, Martina Cortez, Emily Cosgrove, Caitlin Cox, Tanith Cox, Lauren Croft, Grace Cromwell, Oliver Cully, Con Cunningham, Maya Darbas, Megan Darby, Isabel Dare, Abby Davies, Alor Davis, sorry. Kai Davis, Harthen Davis, Helen Davis. Joshua Davis. Laila Darwell Beats. Angard Daycock. Millie Dearden. Betul Demir. Darman Devan. Shajid Dala. Smithla Dylan. Nisha Dibden. Rosa Dis. Kate Danilo. Iona Duta. Fatma Adiki. Adieb El Galai. Ruby Emerson. Tamizini Azwafassan. Ladies Etwa. I'm sorry. Ladies Etia Etawi. Scarlett Evans. Stanley Evans. Thomas Evans. Poppy Ewers. Henning Falkenhagen. Dominique Farauna. Sorry. India Farnborough. Victoria Farr. Axa Fiaz. Jake Fish. Melissa Fodil. Natalie Lifu. Xiang Fu. Daisy Ford. Sophie Forsdick. Caitlin Foster. Danielle Fowler. George Fox. Nicholas Frankel. Molly Frost. Katerina Fugoni. Sean Tompkins. Gunny Kerr. William Garcia. Gabriel Garnett. Leah Bradley. Sarah George. Nikhil Gill. Karen Gergis. Flavia Joni. Gunisha Goel. Charissa Gogo. Isabella Candy. Morgan Green. Malakayla Griffiths. Henrietta Grimes. Ryan Grundy. Tilly Gudgeon. Vanessa Arulalan. Holly Gunning. Natalie Gurnett. Umi Noruddin. Hanan Haliran. Adrian Hamilton. Holly Hammond. Fionn Hanica. Libby Hapgood. Anisha Schnee Hahoch. Nathaniel Hare. Theodore Harper. Mia Harris. Claudia Harrison. Emily Harrison. Maha Hassan. Larissa Hayes. Tia Heggie. Elizabeth Haitley. Holly Hammer. Joshua Hepburn. Rupi Higgins. Mid Himmel. Jia Ho. Ho Jia Shung. Ho Tai Teng. Rachel Chung Ho Yang. Thomas Hocking. Caitlin Holmes. Leonard Howarth. Taylor Howes. Xuan Ni. Benson Hout Jun.
It's all right, just on your way.
Yeah. Benson Huang Hout Jun. Thank you. Jasmine Huggins. Safa Hussain. Fashfina Ilang Kumaran. Noreen Imran. Elizabeth Ignapion. Lim Iris. Benjamin Jackson. Kate Jackson. Fionn James. Elenia James. Lucy James. Luke James. Maisie Yeager. Olivia Jenkins. Leah Jennings. Brian Go Jian Lun. Keris Johns. Temiolu Fumiao Johnson. Caddy Howell Jones. Chloe Jones. Connor Jones. Danny Jones. Ellie Jones. Hannah Jones. Catherine Jones. Katie Jones. Molly Jones. Taylor Jones. Jabulo Zulu. Renu Tata. Q Kai. Sandia Kailand. Ega Caribbean. Oscar Jankarakash. Bridavigna Singh Kumkasinatha. Kastvia Kaur. Alan Kelly. Roisin Kelly. Abigail Kenrick. Gupakash Ken. Mohammed Khan. Rabia Khan. Temur Khan. Chelsea Kibagay. Casey King. Ella Kirk. Michaela Karuku. Hannah Walker. Safia Kandakar. Raul Kumar. Ellie Ladkin. L. Ladkin. Anika Lai. Arun Lai. Shwan Nilai. Sophie Laville. Sophie Lavelle. Jay Laverick. Rihanna Lavis. Lloyd Law. Heather Layton. Sophie Leary. Michelle Lee. Paige Morris. Jameson Lung. Benedict Lewis. Harrison Lewis. Megan Lewis. Christabel Ting. Maya Liddle. Liu Tu Tong. Lu Yu Tong, sorry. Bethan Lilly. Natasha Zilim. Lim Ting Kwan. Lim Sing Yi. Winston Lim Yu Pell. Freya Llewellyn. Bethany Lloyd. Shanae Lloyd. Jessica Long. Uroy Long. Carrie Lovett. Okay, Rebecca Lowther. Karina Louis Kayo Yi. Leon Lundberg. Molly McDermott. Rasheka Mahendra. Nojidan Majidov. Cameron Makin. Majlinda Maliki. Rohan Maran. Tanisha Vanan. Mikhail Mario Haran. Hanshika Manoraj. Maya Maskiewicz. George Mason. Stanley Mbalu. Mbeti Mbuvi. Finn McCann. Amber McCarthy. Eloisa McGoldrick. Kira McKillop. Ella McNamara. Bethany Meeks. Beatrice Melendez Lopez. Jonas Meredith. Rafaela Mareb. Antonia Michael. Kenzie Sammy McKell. Molly Milsom. Holly, sorry. Ishani Mistry. Kira Mitchell. Sophie Mochel. Or Michelle. Nur Nizam. Sitiren Murthy. Llewellyn Morgan. William Morthorpe. Zainab Mubarak. Elizabeth Munro. Orla Murphy. Sinead Murphy. Rania Murphy. Lavanya Murugan. Nikki Mutuma. Shivani Natarajan. Syed Naqvi. Krishante Narendra. Isabel Newell. Evie Newman. Ung Sing Ying. Nicholas Ngu. Migori Nelson. Peter Nichols. Hey. Joshua Tan. Ethan Norman. Luca North. Caris Morton. Nurtle Morton. Kate O'Brien. Aaron Leandro O'Donovan. Kitty Oliver Ward. Janelle Ewing Yong. Philippa Ziyong. Jashika Wakwe. Reva Owen. William Owens. Charlie Page Smith. Enzi Pang. Jessica Parfit. Chloe Parrish. Maria Parker. Daniel Parmiter. Jenna Parr. Chloe Parrish. Lauren Parsons. Azri Pasha. Sophie Peacock. Sorry. Russell Genpei. Venice Paiching. William Pengeli. Hemaprakash Periathambi. Matthew Phelps. Gabriella Phillips. Lucy Phillips. Millie Phipps. Janavi Petroda. Oscar Poulter. Caitlin Powell. Fionn Allen. Powell Allen, I apologise. Lucia Patali. Alexia Preston. Mia Price. Tallulah Price-Topless. Max Pullen. Ruben Punter. Aya Qasim. Marcela Di Camargo. Ayan Cresci. Coral Radford. Zoya Rahman. Megan Raj. Jairaj Dev Singh. Jairaj Dev Singh. Amir Ramzu Hakim. Zainab Rana. Jane Lee Randall. Poppy Rapley. Ethan Reed. Lucy Reese. Samawia Raymond. Gwen Roberts. Madeline Roberts. Benjamin Robinson. Harrison Rockley. Nadia Jane Rogers. Nia Rose. Ava Rosenberg. Francesca Ross. Olivia Russell. Freya Sadler. Emily Safe. Marine Salam. Valerie Saldana Flores. Beth Sampson. Ryan J. Singh Sandhu. Abdullah Sarhant. Ashwini Sati Vale. Naja Samtali. Mia Sayers. Maya Sayers. Holly Searle. Amy Seabright. Yvonne C. Sashwathan Segaran. Molly Beast. Alfie Shah. Alfie Muhammad Shah. Thank you. Umar Shahid. Fazana Sajahan. Avin Shamai Tusi. Siri Avanisha Shankar. Kishav Shankar. Tilly Sharp. Abigail G.E.C. Zara Siddiqui. Kit Han Shu. Nicole Ziki Sim. Nicole Sim, sorry. Nicole Sim Zikwi. Yeah. Nicole Sim Zikwi. Thank you. Toby Simpson. Olivia Singer. Archie Smith. Lucy Smith. Jesleen Sohanpal. Grace Taylor. Andrew George. Veronica Soliman. Caitlin Squire. Divya Srivastava. Daisy Shovhus. Abby Staples. Charlotte Sterry. Jacob Stevenson. Jack Stolzenberg. Su Zi Yi. Thomas Sullivan. Amber Si Hung. Zohaib Tahir. Oh, no, sorry. Tai Sheng Kit. Aaron Jiahao Tan. Tan Pei Earn. Tan Yi Yang Ashley. Tan Zheng Hao. Miles Thane. Tanisha Tana Jayan. Untanda Papiro. Adrian Thien Wang Kin. Michael Thomas. Max Thompson. Abigail Tiang. Amy Tongje. Abby Tornen. Abby Sin Tornen. Ulawadra Tawoba. Luadara Tawoba. Chloe Treacy. Harry Traherne. Lily Trotman. Madison Tully. Daisy Tyler. Charlie Tyler Westwood. Moema Udin. Ashwanta Ufaya Kumar. Oh, yeah, this is the hard one. Camilla Wait Kivichite. Wait Kivichite. Law Society President. Lushita Valeka. Yeah. Caitlin Devvarg. Van der Varg. Urvi Vasani. Hannah Varugesi. Benjamin Verbikas. Isabel Vieira Pastana. Laura Vickers. Ella Jane Vine. Emily Wagner. Emily Wager. Kira Wake. Joanne Hong Wang K. Emma Ward. Tasha Ward. Bella Watton. Charlie Webb. Joseph Weiss. Rosa Westcott. Bradley White. Molly Wilcox. Samuel Wildman. Chloe Wilkin. Hannah Williams. Michelle Williams. Olivia Williams. Talia Williams. Taylor Williams. Lydia Willicombe. Aeneas Wilson. Lucy Winston. Jude Wiseman. Keyshawn Wong. Ziyi Wong. Anne Mary Grace Wood. Thomas Worley. Cara Wright. Monica Seliman. Courtney Wright. Sam Wynn. Chua Yang Ni. Ong Ying Jin. Yoon Mi Yong. Mohammed Shafin Youssef. Alicia Wan Pritchard. Jason Ching Yuet. Annabelle Wong Zi Fen. Julie T. Venus Song Zi Shan. Eva Zivokovic. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Well done, you sustained that really well for each one as an individual. There's a particularly rowdy bunch of 5 over there, which maybe we'll hire you for next year if you're available. It's very good. Good show. Some good doffing as well. This is called a mortarboard, and it is a little higher always than you think. Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to? Trwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd I mi gan y Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr. Diolch o galon. Please sit.
The following student to be presented has achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in return. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Laws. Ladies and gentlemen, I was just working it out. In the last 25 years, we have awarded 6 of these degrees. This is a higher doctorate. A doctorate itself is an original and significant contribution to knowledge. A higher doctorate is work which is produced and published Of such originality and significance, it is of global importance, has influenced the research and work of others, and is therefore a particularly esteemed award. It gives me very, very significant privilege and pleasure to award that degree to Peter William Aldrich. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Drwy'r awdurdod a roddwyd i mi gyda Brifysgol, derbyniaf chi i'ch dyfarniad a'r holl freintiau a ddaw yn ei sgil. Llongyfarchiadau mawr.
Nearly there. Prynhawn da, pawb. My name is Barry. I'm from the Alumni Relations team, and it is my absolute privilege and honor to introduce you to our alumni speaker today, Chris Jenkins. Chris was one of you 30 years ago, sat here today. He graduated from Cardiff University in 1995 with a law degree before joining what is now DAC Beechcroft in London in 1996. He qualified as a solicitor in 1998 and initially focused on shipping litigation before changing direction to work on international trade. In 2011, he joined a trading company, and in 2018, joined SocGen's legal team in London. He now works with their global lending and advisory teams and is also involved in its CSR program, particularly the Student Work Placement Scheme. We are fortunate to have Chris with us today to share some congratulatory words with you.
It is a tricky word. Good afternoon and congratulations to you all. I've actually been practicing that word and I still get it wrong. Wow. 30 years ago, this brings back some memories. It's a real privilege to be asked to speak to you today. Thank you very much to my uni for letting me speak here. One of my old uni mates was a previous speaker, and he's an OBE. I'm not, so no pressure. I'm also no wise old sage, so if it was down to me, I'd play you Baz Luhrmann's Sunscreen song. Might be one for the parents there. But that's 6 minutes long, and we've only got 3, so like Baz did, I'll just give you some tips based on my own experience, based on what my parents told me, what my parents told my friends, and what I've had to say to my own children. Whether you've achieved the degree result you wanted or not, remember this. You're here today because you've opened the door to the next stage on your journey, whether that's work, more studies, travels, or something else. You've done it. Look forward and keep looking forward with a positive frame of mind. Keep an open mind. Life's path isn't a straight one, and some exciting opportunities may arise which take you in a different direction. Be willing to seize them. Resilience. You're going to need lots of it. But this is normal, and the good news is the mere fact that you're here today demonstrates that you've got it in spades. You've had to sit a whole swathe of exams down the years, and you've had to sit some during a pandemic. That's no mean feat. And you've got your 3 degree, and some of you might have had to overcome other challenges as well. I lost count of how many rejections I received when I was applying for a training contract with law firms. My mother would call me up and say, the letters would get sent to my home address, and enthusiastically call me up and say, oh, Chris, you've got another rejection. Thanks, Mum. Good to know. So it got to the point where I'd say to just, look, please don't call. Only call if an offer comes through. Eventually it did. So keep going. Okay, some of you may already have a training contract offer. Some of you might still be looking for them. Just keep going. Okay, remember, you just need one offer. The fact that I received that one offer is down to the advice of my mum. And my father used to say, when I was going through this, if worrying helps, worry like hell, but it doesn't, so don't. And I've tried to carry those words with me, even if I haven't always managed to sort of follow them to the word. So I'd say listen to your parents. You may not agree with them all the time. I didn't, but they can help guide you. And being a good listener is one of the keys for a successful career, but not just that. It's also about being a good friend and being a good mentor down the line. But don't listen to those people who say kids have it easy these days. You don't. It's just not the case. So always back yourself. You've got skills that you may not realize you have, and which some people may not be willing to give you credit for. So don't let those doubts or those of others hold you back. Don't let them get the better of you. Keep in touch. Do your best to keep in touch with your classmates, your uni mates, your friends. Join the LinkedIn, uni alumni LinkedIn group. Go to the events. Build your network. Those contacts will come in useful further down the track. And finally, do listen to that Baz Luhrmann song after this. It's a great tune. Diolch yn fawr iawn o pob lwc I chi. Thank you very much, and good luck to you.
Thank you, Chris. As Chris said, listen to your mum. She's almost always right. And you're going to need resilience for those rejections to come. Hopefully not quite as many as Chris got or as I got. But there will be an offer, and you do only need one. That I am 100% sure of. So now, great Cardiff class of 2025. It is my honour to make the closing remarks. Throngabachiadai, you have done it. You are now members of the Cardiff University alumni community, just like that. You came in as grads and now you're alums. Woo! And what an alumni community you are joining. I hope straight away you get on that Cardiff LinkedIn alumni community that Chris was talking about. But in Welsh, you're now part of the Cymuned Cynfyfewyr Prifysgol Caerdydd. Cardiff alumni become citizens who make an impact in the world. Maybe you're going to be a high flyer like Chris. Maybe you're going to be a really distinguished scholar like Peter William Aldridge. Or maybe you're going to be a quiet, solid citizen who makes a contribution locally. As Virginia Woolf, one of my favourite writers, said, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. So please go out into this world and be yourselves. I cannot wait to see what you do next. For many of you, and I remember this feeling vividly when I was graduating, today will be tinged with sadness. You're saying goodbye to Cardiff and to your dear friends. The Welsh word hiraeth is really made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, stay in touch with us, and stay in touch with each other. So, with that in mind, as your Chancellor, I would like to invite you to make a brand new tradition with us here next year in July 2026, the reunion. We're going to be holding our first ever big reunion weekend to celebrate your first anniversary since graduating. Please come. We want to help you build a social and professional network which will be with you forever. Please come back, not just next year, but for the milestone anniversaries of your graduation. My children grew up in the States, and I've seen how American universities really cultivate their alumni and how these lifelong relationships can be so valuable personally and professionally. We're going to have a big party for your 5th reunion in 2030, and so on and so forth every 5 years. I hope the great class of 2025 will be back here in Cardiff in 2075 for the big reunion weekend. That will be your 50th reunion. I will be long gone, but you can carry the torch for Cardiff. Please volunteer to be captains in English, if you would like to help organise your class. Now, before we close the ceremony, there is one last Cardiff University tradition to uphold. While today is about your achievement, graduates, it's not something that you've done on your own, as I'm sure you'd be the first to acknowledge. You've listened to Mum's advice, for one thing. You've been supported by your family, your friends, and of course, your lecturers. So please, can I ask the new graduates to stand if you're able to? Everyone in this arena made a lot of noise for you. Now it's your turn to make even more noise and say, diolch yn fawr, thank you. Let's hear it. That's not very loud. Okay, that's better. All right, pretty good. You can sit down. They've said thank you. To close our celebrations, there's a short film welcoming you to our Cardiff University alumni family. Enjoy, and at the end of the film, please stand as the platform party leaves and our ceremony draws to a close. Thank you for joining us today. And one last time, great Cardiff class of 2025, Llangefychiadau, you did it.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare or Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe. The new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheers, drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli, people who tried to shelter us with broken brollies, people who helped us find our limits and push them out the way, people who helped us get to this point.
On this day.
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared, a day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark. and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
this is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.